Hello friends and welcome to Virtual TechBox YouTube channel. If you go to blogs.windows.com, under this topic there are multiple conditions are mentioned to run the Android apps on the Windows 11 PC. Like your PC's region must be set to US. You will also need to have US based Amazon account to use the Amazon App Store. And even if you are having the Amazon account, US based Amazon account, there are very less apps are available as of now in it. In today's video we will see a method through which you can run any Android app on the Windows 11 regardless of your PC's region, and there is no need of US based Amazon account also. You can run any Android app without it also. Let's get started. This is my Windows 11 installed on the VMware Workstation virtual machine. You can refer this video on how to enable the Trusted Platform Module TPM on the VMware Workstation virtual machine, and then you can install the Windows 11 on that virtual machine. I will provide the link of that video in the description. There is one prerequisite for this method. Virtualization should be enabled on the BIOS of your system. If I go to setting of the virtual machine, under the processor you can see here virtualization is selected for this virtual machine. I will give the Alt Control Delete. I will provide the password for the administrator. I will make it full screen. I will open the Google Chrome. I will go to this website, and here I will paste one Microsoft URL. I will provide this URL in the description. In the drop down here I will select slow. I will click here. On this page we have to download this last one file. I will right click on the link, open link in new window. I will refresh once, which will start the download of the file. Download completed. I will go to download folder. And this is the file which we have just downloaded. I will close the browser. I will go to download folder. I will right click on the downloaded file, copy as path. I will go to start. And I will click on Windows Terminal, which will start the PowerShell. I will maximize this. I will give here the command add hyphen appx package space hyphen path, and I will right click here, which will paste the copied path. I will hit enter here. Which will start the installation of package. Installation of package has been completed here. I will minimize the PowerShell terminal here. I will go to start. I will click. You can see here Windows search system for Android is present here. I will again go to start. And I will go to turn Windows features on or off. And in the list I will tick these two features, virtual machine platform and Windows hypervisor platform. OK. Feature added. It is asking to reboot the system. I will click on restart now to reboot my system. Restart completed here. I will give here the Alt Control Delete. I will provide the password for the administrator. I will open the Google Chrome and I will go to this website. On this page, I will click on download SDK platform tools for Windows. Accept, download. File has been downloaded. I will go to download folder. This is the zip file which has been downloaded. I will right click on the zip file, extract all, extract. Extract completed. I will cut the extracted folder and I will paste it on the desktop. I will go to start. I will click on Windows subsystem for Android. And I will make the developer mode on. If I click refresh here, you can see here it is showing that ADB can be connected on the 127.0.0.1:58526. in which 127.0.0.1 is the IP address of the local host. I will go to extracted folder and I will type here cmd, which will open the command prompt. I will give here the command adb connect 127.0.0.1 colon 58526. I will hit enter. It is showing that failed to authenticate. If I give the command again, it is showing that already connected, which means we have connected to the local host. I will open the Google Chrome and I will go to website apkmirror.com. I will search here WhatsApp. Apps. I will click on WhatsApp Messenger. All variants. I don't want the beta version, so I will click here. I will click here. And I will click here to download the APK. APK file has been downloaded. I will go to download folder. I will right click on the APK file, copy as path. I will again go back to command prompt. I will give here the command adb install and I will right click, which will paste the copied path. I will hit enter, which will start the APK installation. WhatsApp APK installation has been completed successfully here. If I go to start, you can see here WhatsApp is showing. I will click on WhatsApp, agree and continue. I can provide my mobile number here to register and I can start using the WhatsApp on the Windows 11 here. Like this way you can install any Android app on the Windows 11 system. I will provide all the URLs in the description. I will provide all the commands used in the description. That's it today, friends. Like the video, share it with the friends and spread the knowledge. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.